All right, can y'all hear me? Can y'all hear me? Everybody, can you hear me? 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 All right, y'all hear me? Y'all hear me? Everybody, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? All right, here we go. Hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Why you? All right, y'all hear me? Y'all hear me? Everybody, can you hear me? Can you hear me? All right, go. There we go. All right. If you can hear me, put a one. Oh, okay. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right, everybody. It's live trading Wednesdays. We're about to hit this market. So the market fell down $5 overnight. $5 overnight. The market fell down. Oh, why is that? Everything's moving entirely slow for some reason. Close some stuff down right quick. All right, 1 second, everybody. 1 second, 1 second. I'm closing some stuff down. My computer's running slow. Right, here we go. One second. My computer running extremely slow, so give me 1 second, everybody. Give me 1 second. Let me delete some of these things I got open. There we go. Yeah, Gerald. Yeah, we may possibly have a gap fill this morning. It's a strong possibility, right? Strong possibility. We may have a gap fill. We're gonna play it by ear and see what transpires. And like I said, my computer's running slow right now, so just give me a second, everybody. My computer's running extremely slow. I don't know why. And normally I try not to trade before 10 o'clock, but today may be an exception. Okay. But the market actually, I was hoping that it waited, and I'm gonna show it to you guys in a minute. I was hoping that it waited for us for a tad bit before that thing just jumped off and just ran, but it definitely jumped off and ran. So let me get my computer to see why it's moving so slow. And then we're gonna get this thing rolling, y'all. I know why it's moving slow, because it's about to die. Give me a second. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Here we go. There we go. She moving like she's supposed to. Let's take a look at this thing now. All right. Everybody. So we had a huge drop off. If you was on my Facebook, if you was on my live on Instagram yesterday, you see that for like we traded inside of this box that we have right here. There's a box right here that we were trading inside of, right? We traded in this box for almost what? Probably around, let's see, probably around like 30, 40 hours, right? We traded in this box and we finally broke out of this box on the 1 hour time frame, which is strong, okay? We finally broke out of this box on the 1 hour time frame. All right, that's big. I actually wanted to catch the break of this and drop down, but it happened overnight. So of course we can't get into the trades overnight. But needless to say, we're here and we got it going on. So we're gonna find out what's our next move. So let's go down and break. Let's go ahead and do our analysis that we do every single morning when we're breaking down. When we're breaking down everything. Boom, boom, boom. All right. First thing first. Let's find our pre-market high and our pre-market low. Okay. Pre-market high, pre-market low. So let me clear my drawings. All right. So boom. We're going to start right here on the 15-minute. The pre-market high is right here. The pre-market low is right here. All right. The previous day high is right here. Remember, when we're doing the previous day high and the previous day low, we only focus on the black area, okay, for the previous day. All right. The gray area is post-market is right here, and then pre-market is right here. We're not worried about this long red wick. That's like a block order type thing. All right. So boom, pre-market, previous day low right here. So what I have right now is I have everything layered in boxes. Okay. So I have my pre-market high. This was the high, the previous day high. This was the highest this stock was yesterday. Okay. Then right here, I have my pre-market high. This is the highest this particular stock has been all morning. Okay. All morning, this is the highest it has been. All right. Then right here, I have my previous day low. Okay. My previous day low. My previous day low is telling me this is where the buyers were at yesterday. The buyers were chilling at this area yesterday at this previous day low right here. Buyers were just chilling right here. Okay. Now, pre-market low is right here. This is the lowest point we had pre-market right here. Okay. Lowest point we had pre-market. All right. So we got that drawn out. Got that drawn out. All right. We're getting a nice push up. Take a look right here. We're getting a nice push up right now. Okay, y'all see right here, we're getting this push up. We're getting that push up right now. What I call this moment right here, this is called a moment of truth. Okay, this moment is called a moment of truth. Why is it called a moment of truth? It's called a moment of truth because whenever on the 15-minute time frame, the candlesticks come back to the non-EMA, we call it a moment of truth because two things can particularly happen. It can keep going up or it can go back down. All right, and we're going to see what decision is going to be made. All right, what decision is going to be made? And right now I'm on SPY, y'all, SPY. That's the stock I'm trading right now. Let's see what SPX look like. SPX has a huge gap to fill. Huge gap to fill going on back up. Okay. Boom, boom. Just looking over some stuff. Nice big bounce going on right now. Nice bounce going on right now. Ticker SPY. That's what I'm looking at right now. Ticker SPY. This platform is Thinkorswim platform. Thinkorswim platform. Remember, y'all, every Wednesday we do this. Every single Wednesday we do this, okay? What just happened? right, 1 second. All right, so it look right here, this moment of truth. We are rejecting that moment of truth right now. We're rejecting that moment of truth. We're rejecting the moment of truth right now. And what rejecting mean is it came to it, it hit it, and decided to push down. Some guy say, Chris, please reach out to me after this. Send me a direct message. Send me a direct message. If you got Instagram, send me a direct message on Instagram. If not, send me an email, and then we can connect. Okay, we can connect from there. All right. Boom, boom. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So what I'm looking for right now, I'm looking for a possible push back up to this 398 area. Okay, a possible push up back to this area right here, this 398 area. We could potentially see that. All right. Right now, the overall market is in a downward trend as far as the overall market on the 15-minute time frame, or the 1 hour time frame as well. We're kind of in a downward trend right now. Okay. So I'm going to be patient. I don't really like to trade before 10 o'clock. So I kind of go around and look at everything before 10. Let's go around and look at some other stocks. So whenever you're trading SPY, SPY, you want to always go through the big five. Okay. I call the big five. It's the 5 largest stocks in the S&P 500. So Apple is one of them. Woo! So take a look at Apple. Apple had a huge drop, and it's trying to build back up. The next one is Google. Google had a pretty good drop too, trying to build back up. Everything is still under this 9 EMA right now in the 15-minute time frame. Very important. Okay. Everything is under the 9 EMA on the 15-minute time frame right now. Amazon, same kind of thing, pushing down. It's green though, but it's under the 9 EMA. We got Microsoft, okay, under the 9 EMA as well. All right, so that's Microsoft. That is Meta. Where's that? Facebook. Facebook, interesting. Facebook is green, kind of moving above. It's sitting above. Okay, it's sitting above. All right. All right, let's go ahead and lock in our supply zones. All right, so we got a supply zone right around here. This 399 area is a supply zone for us. So we got some ways to go on that. And we got a demand zone right down here at 394. Okay. So we'll draw the supply zone. Supply zone right around here. And right around here, we have like a demand zone right around here. No, wrong way. I'm just getting everything set up, everybody. And once you start trading, you'll be doing the same thing. You'll be doing the same thing. Okay, so I'm gonna label this just so you guys know exactly what's going on. This is text. Right here, this is a supply zone. Okay, this means there's sellers. Okay, on the 15-minute time. Well, this is the 1 hour time frame. There's sellers right here. This might be a little bit smaller on the 15-minute time frame. Let me double check. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, she got a supply zone at 396 on the 15-minute, 399 on the 1 hour. All right, so these are 1 hour supply zones. Okay, 1 hour supply zone right here. This is a 1 hour supply zone. Make that bigger so you guys can see it. All right, so that's a 1 hour supply zone. Right down here, we have a demand zone, 1 hour demand zone. All right, so we got a 1 hour supply zone up here, 1 hour demand zone down here. Okay, I like to have my demand zones on the 1 hour and on the 1 hour demand 1 hour time frame. And I also have it on the 15-minute time frame on my other screen. Okay, that's on my other screen. All right, all right, all right. Look at the 5 minutes. See how the 5 minutes reacting. Okay, so right now in the 5-minute time frame, what you're seeing is you're seeing that we had a drop down, right? We've been moving down, moving down, moving down. And right now we're sitting on this support level. We're sitting on a support level, which is our pre-market low. Okay, this is a level of support for us. A break of this level could take us down here to this 394 area, this demand zone that we have. All right, could take us down there. Okay, on this trade, everybody, I'm gonna try to at least take care of my. I'm gonna try to take care of my car payment, a car payment of mine on this trade. Okay, I'm gonna try to take care of a car payment, knock my car payment out for probably next month with this trade. Why do we have supply and demand in those zones? Those are zones where there were sellers in this particular zone at one point, and that's a supply zone. And short version is the demand zone. There were the demand zone, there were heavy buyers. That's where the buyers were chilling there in that zone. Okay. To go ahead and give me some contracts together. Today is the 25th. I like to go about 7 days out. Let's go to the second. I'm looking at puts. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Okay. Right. Let's go. All right. I'm playing SPX puts. Remember, I'm starting off with a smaller count. So I got SPX puts. I'm going to add also my calls. Right now, I'm probably not playing anything to the upside at this moment because right now we are in a downward trend. I believe even if we do push up, we will probably push up some and then hit the zone and push back down. So that's what I'm more so I'm focused on a downward play at the moment. But like I say, it can definitely push up. We do have some room to push up it. We do have some room to push up, but right now, downward movement. That's what I'm focused on. All right. As you can see, we're breaking through. We're breaking through this level of support. Go back to my 1 hour. Check out this 1 hour right quick. The 1 hour is on the 200 EMA. Interesting. And on the 1 hour time frame, I want you guys to look at this mess right here. Look at this on the 1 hour time frame that we have to get through. Okay. You guys see this right here? That mess right there? That's where we are right now. We have to get through this mess. This is some mess right here, right? Some consolidation. It's called a mess. It's consolidation of buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling, right? And then in order for us to continue to move down, we have to get through this level. Okay. The last time we were at this level, we bounced off of this level and pushed up to 402. Okay. We push it to 402. This is why it's always good to zoom out and look and see exactly what's going on in the market previously. Historical data tells a great story. Now, for example, if we bounce off of this level, we can definitely push back up strong, right? That's why you see it's kind of lagging right around here. It's not just selling off, it's kind of lagging. All right, y'all hold on 1 second, right? All right. How to get the look up bar on active trader. I don't have it. The look up bar on active trader. Are you talking about this right here? Talking about that, Kenny? I don't know why my screen not showing. Oh, I know why my screen not showing. I don't have it in. There we go. It's crazy. I don't know why that thing be doing that. Hold on, let me know if you can hear me in a second. Hold on. I just added. I don't know why it switched like that. Yeah, the Samsung. Okay. Can you hear me now? Okay, cool. All right. The technical difficulties. So look right. So Kenny, what I was saying, Kenny, come up here to this box up here on the right and add you an extra box. Okay. Add an extra box. All right. Add an extra box right there. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. I don't know why that box is up there, y'all, but I figured that out another time. Downward pressure, downward movement going. It's 9:55, almost 10 o'clock. Let's see. Oh, no. Oh, I'm in SPYMK. I'm in SPY. Well, I'm looking at SPY right now. I'm looking this major push down. Oh, it's nice. Nice push down. Nice push down right now. Be patient, Jack. Be patient. Be patient. All right, we broke through a key level, though. We broke through a key level. Look at that move. Broke through a key level. Broke through a key level. I like it. I like it. Okay, I want to see a pullback right here. I want to see a pullback back to, let me show you the area that I want to see a pullback up to. I would love to see a pullback up to this level, right? A pullback up to this level. And from that pullback, I would love to see some a little bit of consolidation before we make a move on which direction we're going. Okay, before we make a move and see what direction that we're going. We trade this contract. This contract went up in price on that drop down. We're definitely oversold on the 5-minute. Apple pushing, Apple not pushing that far down. Google look at Google. Google just pushing straight down, Google. We have Amazon pushing down nicely. It's looking pretty. This is real pretty. I'm liking the direction we're going in so far. I like this. I want to see if this is going to be a trend day. Microsoft is going down. The big five. So out of the big five, everything is pointing downward for the most part. We've had Facebook had a nice aggressive move up, but as you can see, since then, it's kind of been pushing down some. Okay. Right here on SPY, like I said, I want to see this come back up here and test this 395 area. Okay. Come back up and test this 395 area. I would love to see that. And that's when I'll possibly be looking for entry. Okay, we're possibly looking for entry. I'm going to find another contract. Remember, I started off with a small account, so I'm trading a smaller account. And I like for this smaller account, I'm trading SPX. XPX is a little bit more expensive. I buy out the money, and I'm buying smaller delta contracts while I'm buying multiple contracts. I'm gonna go February 1st with ones get a little bit more volume. Yeah, she's pushing down. All right, we're coming down into this demand zone. Remember, what is that demand zone? Demand zone is a location where buyers has been chilling at, or buyers have been at for some time. Chris, do you have a trading view? Yep, I have trading view up on my other screen, Sean. Yep, I have trading view up on my other screen. So when you see me looking this way, I'm on my other screen. Nice move. I see we got an FVG just formed too on the 15-minute time frame. Potentially, let's see if it holds. Let's go. I'm looking for a pullback. I want to see a pullback into this area right here. I want to see a pullback into this area, maybe somewhere around here, this 395.23 or 395. I would love to see it come back up to this 395.8 area, but I want to see how far it's going to go. I would love to see it come somewhere around here. I will probably start building my position somewhere around this area. Right now, I have a focus on puts. Okay, right now I have a focus on puts. Okay. That's my focus right now on puts. The market is definitely trending down at the moment. But I'm not going to rush into a trade. Okay, we're at 10 o'clock right now. I'm not going to rush to any trades at the moment. Be patient. Have patience. It want to go. It definitely wants to go. So we're right around here, this demand zone. on the 1 hour time frame. This is, remember, this is a 1 hour demand zone that we're coming close to. 1 hour demand zone. And I'm on the 15-minute time frame right now. It's struggling to push up. It's definitely struggling to push up, but we should get some pullback action coming up. We should get some pullback action, move back up. Okay, we should get a move back up. Yeah, some guy looks like that. Chris, why did you change your contract from 30? I changed my contract from the 3,800 because it became more expensive. So on this big drop down right here, that contract went from like $6 to like $8. Okay, from $6 to $8. So I went back and got me a cheaper contract. Great question. Great question. How do you determine supply and demand? Supply and demand is determined by like a place of consolidation, and then after a break, so for example, right here, say if we had consolidation right here, and then the stock just dropped down and broke a level of structure, that would make this zone a supply zone or a demand zone if it was the opposite way. Okay, so a supply zone is basically a place where you had set, like the stock just kind of sold off, just boom, hard sell off, and it broke a previous low, or it broke on the opposite side of previous high. That makes that zone a supply zone, because when it went to that level, it stopped and boom, tried to sell off. Right? And tried to sell off. All right. So yeah, we're right. Monday, I said we was definitely coming back down to this zone, but I sold out of my put position around here yesterday, took profits, and then we definitely came on down. All right, so like I was saying, this move up that we was looking for is happening right now. We're having a slow, small move up. All right, slow, small move up. I would love to see us come back and test this 395.8. Okay, we also entering into a 1 hour fair value gap as well. But we're gonna break it down 10 times deeper in the mastermind coming up. So if you're not in the mastermind, go ahead and sign up for that mastermind, because we're going to break. Matter of fact, let me put that in the link in here. We're going to break that down to the T, because supply and demand is very key. It's very key. Look at that push back up right there. Beautiful. Beautiful push back up. Beautiful push back up. I love it. I love it. I love it. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Listen, this is what happens. When this big red candlestick moved down just now, when that big red candlestick move happened, we call that TLC. TLC. What does TLC mean? All right. TLC means don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. Okay. Because when you go chasing this red candlestick, you're chasing a waterfall. Okay. You're chasing a waterfall. Basically, you're chasing something, and you don't want to chase in the stock market. You want things to come to you. And this is beautiful right here. This is beautiful right here. This is a beautiful move up. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if it's going to break above. Now, moment of truth time. Moment of truth time. Okay. This is a moment of truth time. We pushed down and we came right back up to this level. This is a moment of truth, because now we're back at the non-EMA. Okay. If you look right here, we've been under the non-EMA ever since 4 o'clock this morning. The candlesticks have been below this non-EMA. Below the non-EMA. They have closed below the non-EMA. I may start to create me a position right here. What time is it? 10:07. I may create my position. I may start my position. I may start my position to the downside. But we are oversold right now. We are oversold right now. I think we might have some more room to go up a tad bit more. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. February 27th, Feb 27th through March 3rd. Also, everybody, I'm having a free webinar this Sunday. Free webinar this Sunday at 7:30. Okay, free webinar this Sunday at 7:30. This is a nice solid candlestick. But what I want you guys to focus on, take a look at small things, right? It's some small things happening. We came back up here, right? We came back up here to the 9 EMA, but what happened? We still are making lower. We didn't make a higher high, right? Or we didn't break this high right here. We're still at a lower low right now, okay? We're still at a lower low at this moment. A lower low mean, I'm sorry, a lower high. So this is a high right here. This next candlestick made a lower high. This candlestick is making a lower high at the moment. Okay, that's at the moment, making a lower high. Five minutes doing the 5 minutes, rejecting the 21. See what the 1 minute's doing. Okay, the 1 minute's coming back. Not powerful move. 15 minutes. Okay, this I'm possibly going to make an entry. No, the webinar is free. The webinar is free. Hey, all right. So what I'm seeing right now, just take a look at it. Let's say, what are we looking at? First, let me take a look at Apple. Look at Apple. Big boy move on Apple up. Big boy move. Big boy candlestick on Apple. Take a look at Google. Google still pushing down. Amazon pushing down. Everything is so oversold. So when I'm looking at oversold, look down here at the bottom, right down here. This blind is blue. So see it's gold, or like it's a gold color. And then right now it's turned blue. That means the stock is oversold. Okay, the stock is oversold. That's what that means. Time frame. 5-minute time frame. See, be patient. Grab me a call contract as well. Same week. All right, I just grabbed me a call contract as well. Not actually got into a trade, but I have the setup over here just in case. All right. So we struggling like this moment of truth. We're rejecting that moment of truth. We're rejecting that moment of truth. But it's not a strong rejection. Right here on the 5 minute, what do we see? See what we have on the 1 minute. Okay. All right, here comes some movement. Nice rejection. Nice rejection. Nice rejection. Nice rejection. Nice rejection. Let's see if we fully commit to the rejection. Nice rejection. So he's sitting right around here on top of close to this demand zone, just sitting right around here close to that demand zone. Now, this is another 15-minute candlestick just open. This is a pivotal candlestick to see what we're going to see what's going to happen. Let's see if this 15-minute candlestick is going to go back up here and retest again. Okay. Or let's see if it makes a lower low. If this 15-minute candlestick if this 15-minute candlestick make a lower low. Okay. It'd be lovely to get consolidation around this area. It'd be lovely to get some consolidation around this area for like about 15 more minutes of consolidation around this area right here would be beautiful. Would be beautiful. I'm a previous student. I lost access to the old video one night, so I got the 7 ideas to be part of the upcoming class. Yeah, T Mills, hit me. Matter of fact, T Mills, send me a message right now, and I'll make sure you get that access. Send me a message, email, and I make sure you get that access. Hey, Chris, can you repeat what you said about the stock being oversold? Yeah, so whenever you look at the RSI, right, it's stronger on larger time frames, but the oversold is when the stock price is oversold. This you see how this line right here is like brown, goldish, and then when it comes underneath, it turns blue. That means the stock is oversold, meaning it's been selling off for some time now. Okay, it's been selling off for some time now. If it was above this 70 mark, it would turn red, mean it's overbought. Okay, that means it's overbought. All right. So oversold means it's been sold off, and then when it's oversold, you necessarily do not want to enter when it's oversold. You want to let it always come. Want to let it come back, right? That's why when I said I wanted to see it come back here and it pushed back down, I didn't get in because it was kind of oversold. I want to see it come back up a little bit more, consolidate, and then I would make a decision from there. But you will have that indicator RSI. It'll tell you when stocks are oversold or overbought, things of that nature. We may be trying to push back up for a little rally. All right, so let's go back and let's tell the story, okay? Where did the story begin? Let's see. Check this out. So what do I always tell people? I always tell you that you want to turn the stock market into a story. This is the story that the stock market has told us today, all right? We're going to think about this in a relationship standpoint of view, okay? Think about you being in a relationship, all right? So right here, we have a decision-making time. So we're dating. Right here is the wall, okay? And right here is the wall. So in this relationship, we are dating in this relationship. And if we break above this upper wall right here, we're going jagged edge, right? Let's get married. We buying calls. If we break beneath this right here, we're going Chris Brown. We're breaking up. It's never a right time to say goodbye. Put the stock market into a story. So we're dating. The candlesticks are trying to go above. We can't break above. The person saying, hey, I want to get married to you. The other person saying, I don't know. I don't trust it yet. I don't trust it yet. So on and so on and so on, right? Then eventually what we see is it tried again. We tried to move forward in our relationship, but the relationship just failed. Boom. We came down here to support. Now the person's like, listen, I want to marry you, but you don't want to marry me. So it fell down. And now we're on the support level and we're going to counseling and all those things, trying to make this relationship work. But eventually what happens is we break beneath. Boom. We break beneath. Okay. Every time in a relationship, what always happens in a relationship? When you break up, you always get that text message, hey, I miss you. What are you doing? XYZ, XYZ. That's what happened right here. You got that text message, hey, I miss you. And we bounced right back up here. We came back up here to this level. Okay. We came back up here to this level, back inside this boxing relationship, trying to figure it out, seeing if we're going to be together. And but ultimately what happened is we broke up. We broke up. We broke up. We broke up. Okay. We broke up. The dog ran away, and you remember the dog runs away from the owner. When the dog runs away from the owner, the dog always come back. Boom, the dog came back. We ran away again, and now the dog is coming back again. That's the story that the market is telling us right now. Okay, that's the story the market is telling us right now. So what we're looking for, what I'm looking for right now is I'm looking for the next piece of the story. I'm looking for the next piece of the story. And the story can go multiple ways. Okay. There's multiple ways this story could go. We'll break them down to you. So right here, for example, we came back to the owner, right? We came back to the owner. The dog came back to the owner and it's rejected, right? We can see it reject and the dog can run away all the way down here again. Okay. Or what we can see is it pushed down, it's coming back. And we can see a pushback up to this 1 hour supply zone today. Okay. That's why I'm not in the trade right now, because I'm hesitant. I want to see which direction are we potentially going. Okay. But give me a 1 in the chat if that story makes sense, how we was dating in between walls, that we broke through that wall and the market fell down. Okay. Give me a 1, put a 1 in the chat on YouTube. Put a 1 in the chat if that makes sense. If that makes sense for you. Okay, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Oh yeah, SPX. You see everything else doing? Here go SPX. Okay, you can see. So we're going to draw us a supply. We're going to make us a supply zones right here already. So I really don't have to draw the level, but this is a level of support as well. Right around here, this is support because that's the demand zone that we're currently in. Also, we have okay, she's building. All right, this is perfect. This is beautiful. This is what's happening right now, everybody. This is what's happening. Right here in this market, you see we're consolidating right here. we're consolidating. When we're consolidating right now, what we're doing is we're building up for the next move. The move either going to be to the upside or the move is going to be to the downside, but we're building up for that move right now. Okay, we're building up for that move. There's not a lot of buying pressure at all. There's not a lot of buying pressure at all. By no means is there a lot of buying pressure. But I would not be surprised to see one quick move up, right? I would not be surprised to see one quick move up here again, and then boom, a rejection back down. Would not be surprised to see that. Also, make sure y'all like and well, what is it called? Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel as well. We do this every single Wednesday. We're doing it. Tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell a friend. Okay, because the more you all see this, the more comfortable you'll be able to do it. The more you guys can be able to see the reality of it and see me doing it in real action, the better, the more comfortable you're going to realize that, hey, I can do this. I can come in this market and make $100, $200, $300 a day. Right? You're going to be able to start seeing these things. Okay. So tell a friend, like it, share it, subscribe to it, whatever we do on this YouTube. I'm new to YouTube. I'm trying to figure this thing out. I'm liking this movement. What you going to do? What you going to do? We're making lower lows. We're making lower lows. Definitely making lower lows. And also, if you're new, I have a 3-hour video training on here that's talking about giving you a breakdown of candlesticks and support and resistance and all that good stuff. So go check that out as well. That's gonna be real. That'd be real dope for you. It's a 3-hour training on here. Okay. What platform do you use? I use Thinkorswim. No, I do not have a book. I do not have a book. If you think I should write a book, put book in the chat. If you think I should write a book about my trading strategy, put book in the chat. If you think I should write a book. Let's see. Let's go. What are we going to do? Look at this 5-minute time frame. Okay. Look how we're just sitting around this area. Okay. We've created another box right here. We've created another box right here. You see how we're trading inside of a box now? Once again, same story. It's the exact same story. Take a look at the story. It doesn't change. Look at this story right here. Same thing. We're in a relationship. Everything's going good. Boom. We fall down here to the bottom of the relationship. Okay, listen. Are we going to be together? Yes or no? Are we going to be together? Yes or no? Are we going to be together? Yes or no? We go back up. Let's make this thing work. Let's make this thing work. Boom. Okay, let's break through this level. Let's break through this wall. Let's break through this wall. Let's move forward in our relationship. No, I don't think so. I'm not ready. And boom, we fell right back down here. You box this, you box this up, right? Okay, you box it up and it tells love stories. If it breaks this box, we have the opportunity to go down some more. If it breaks the top of this box, we have the opportunity to go to the altar and get married. Okay, there's other moving pieces to it, but having that understanding of what's going on is like everything. Okay, it's everything. And if y'all can see clear, let me know. If you need me to zoom in some, let me know as well. Okay, if you need me to zoom in some, let me know. We're hanging around this demand zone an awful lot. We're hanging around this hour demand zone a lot. We really are. I wouldn't be surprised if we break through this level and break through this demand zone. We run straight down to 390. We run straight down to 390. But it's holding super strong. Holding very, very, very strong. All right, let's take a look at the big 5 players. Apple. Still kind of pushing down. Google. Kind of pushing down still. Amazon pushed up some. Meta, Facebook is kind of trending downward. And Microsoft. Microsoft is trying to make a V-shaped recovery, trying to move up some. Let's see. Bank of Canada raises rates to 4.5%. Declare pause to assess. Oh, pause. And remember that what I said previously. We got mess right here, right? We got a whole bunch of mess over here that we have to get through for us to see some more continue downward, push downward. Okay, a push downward. Now these are like the moments that get traders trapped, right? The reason why traders get trapped in these moments, we get trapped in these moments because not being patient. You have to be patient, okay? You have to be patient. All right? You have to be patient. And let me show you guys something right now. If, for example, if you work a full-time, if you had a full-time job, I want to show you guys something. I want to show everybody that works a full-time job something right quick. So if you in the chat, work a full-time job, put a 1 in the chat right quick. I'm going to show you guys something that's going to blow your mind. This is just really for everybody. But if you work a full-time job, put a 1 in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat, 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 work a full-time job. Do you copy and paste contracts to active trader? Yes, I copy and paste. Copy and paste. I copy and paste. All right, full-time job. Check this out. You work a full-time job. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. Nice push. 1 second. Let me put that on pause for a second. Look at this play. All right, we're pushing back up to this 9. Look at this. Also on the 15-minute, small little key things. We've been making higher low. I mean, this is the low, higher low again. All right, but check this out. If you work a full-time job and you say, hey, okay, I'm about to go to a meeting, or I gotta do something, I gotta do XYZ, and you say I want to get in at a particular level. Say you want to get in on calls at this demand zone. What you can do is this. You can go here and go to first trigger, right? And on this first trigger, say you want to lose, you only want to lose, you willing to lose 10%. Right? 10%, and you want to make 20%, say, for example. Right? You can come right here, right? You come right here, and I can put, I want to buy in when the stock price get to XYZ level. You push that button, and you can walk away from the computer. Because you say, when it get to this level, I want to buy in right here. You push that button, and what the system does is, once the stock gets to that level, it'll automatically buy in for you. Then once it automatically buy ins for you, what it does next is it automatically sets your 10% stop loss and your 10% profit taking loss. So while you in that meeting doing a PowerPoint presentation, talking to your boss, hoping your boss hurry up and stop talking to you so you can get back to trading, you can be in your trade. You secured as far as a stop loss on a 10% stop loss or 20% stop where you're taking 20% profits. It's beautiful. Right? You don't have to be at the computer all day looking at that computer. That's why it's good to understand the story the market is telling so you can be able to do your technical analysis. And while you're doing that, then the story is going to come full surface to you. Okay? The story is going to come full surface to you. That's crazy, right? That's crazy. So you can go ahead and know what level you come over here, say, I want to buy in right here. Boom. Once whenever it gets to that level, it buy-ins automatically for you, and then it automatically sets your stop loss. So you only can lose 10%. If 10% is $50 or $100, you only can lose 50 to 100. And if 20% is $300 profit, you get $300 profit, whichever one comes first. Okay. D Lock say my boy coming up. He ain't a hidden gym. Are you saving this live, Chris? Yeah, this is gonna be on my YouTube channel. Y'all can always come back and watch it on my YouTube channel. Every Wednesday we doing this. Every Wednesday, I want you to tell everybody about it. Tell all your friends, because the thing about it is, when you're ready to start changing your life, when you're ready to take control of your life and make additional income, that's what it's about, making additional income. You don't have to come out here and be rich, right? You don't have to come out here and make $200,000, $300,000. Man, make enough money to pay your house payment, car payment, all those things. We about to go. We about to go. We about to go. Are we about to go? Are we about to break? Are we about to go? Oh, you had better interest, Chris. Come on, what you gonna do? What we doing here? 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 Be patient. What we doing here? What we doing here? What we doing here? What we doing here? Patience, Jack. Patience, Jack. Be patient. Be patient, Jack. You on the top of that demand zone. That's why you was patient the whole time. Be patient. Be patient, Jack. Be patient. There we go. Patience. 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 There you go. There you go. Patience. Push back up to that 3. Push back up to that 90 and again. Patience. Patience. There you go. Somebody said it. Who is that? Intro. You got to break and hold. Listen, ain't no purpose of breaking if you're not holding, right? You got to break and hold. That's why you be patient. Beautiful. This is beautiful. God, this is beautiful. Let's go. I love it. Listen, that's patience. That's patience. You got to be patient. And I'm excited. And I know y'all like Chris. You excited for what happened? Absolutely nothing just happened. But what just happened, something did just happen, was we got to break this, right? And this is why it's good to understand your levels and know your levels. Like, I know it's a demand zone right here. I know we've been struggling right here. So it's, say, for example, if you didn't know this was a demand zone, if you didn't know this was a strong level of support, when you saw that breaking, you might have got in. Now, it could come on down, but it could reverse and go back on. You would have got hurt. Okay? Stop just being patient. Right, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, so we sit down here, though. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. We came back and tried to test one more time. Let's see what this 5-minute look like. Right. It won't. I might ease myself into right around this area. I may ease myself into this play right around this area. Just give it a moment. Let's see. Give it a moment. 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 In this demand zone now. So this demand zone, the demand zone is a place where there are buyers. In the past, the buyers are right here. Okay, the buyers are right here. Okay, so we know there's buyers in this area right here. We know there's buyers in this area. We know there's buyers in this demand zone area. We got the break.
We got the break, right? Now we got to see the hold. We got the break, but now we want to see this hold. Apple, Google, Amazon. Amazon still building some. QQ. Patience, patience, patience. We still have a little room to the downside, then a battle. Yep. Yep, we do. We do have it. So the main, like, what really the best play or the best move happened pre-market, right? It happened pre-market when we broke this level, right? When we broke this level, right? We broke this level right here in pre-market. I'm being super hesitant right here is because, like I say, this was the best play right here. Get into it. So then we got movement down, push up, movement down, and right here, right now. But we ran right into this. We ran right into this demand zone. So we're in a it's a battle zone right now. Okay, it's a battle zone. It's a battle. We're in like a battle zone right now. That's why I'm being extremely hesitant about getting in at this very moment right now. But definitely watching this thing closely. How do you copy and paste on Thinkorswim? Just go to all products. Come right here. Go to the Axe. Go to the Axe. I'm using Windows. I'm not using MacBook. I'm using Windows. You just right click and then it says copy right here. It says copy right here. All right. So you see in this demand zone, what's happening in this demand zone is buyers are starting to buy in some more. Okay. Buyers are starting to buy in some more. And for the most part, so far, nothing has really happened. We've had some push downs, but we had push back ups, and it's really just taking like push down, come back up, profit taking, right? Profit gone, all those good things, right? So we really haven't had any type of movement, trend movement that was major. I could have got into a couple of trades and made a couple dollars, but it wasn't worth the entry where it was at. So it's gonna be a little bit patient. I'm gonna be patient. You want to be patient. All right. So you see that movement out of this demand zone. Okay, you see that movement out of the demand zone. You really have to have patience, everybody. You have to have patience. Definitely have to have patience. Look at that movement out of this demand zone. One thing I do like is not strong, heavy movement out of the demand zone. It's still low volume. It's still low volume for the most part. But nevertheless, it's still movement. Mm. Weak low. Weak low. There we go. Nice. Nice. Nice push back up, son. It's nice. This is nice. 15-minute. Look what happened, y'all. We broke through and we came right back into the box. We broke through and came right back into the box. This candlestick right here is about to close in 1 minute. It's about to close in 1 minute. The buyers are here. They still there. Because the buy came into this zone and the buyers are like, yeah, you came back into my zone. What up, what up, what up? Boom, boom. Right? I'm about to buy up. So they bought some more and they drove the price back up. They drove the price back up. We still have a lot of downward pressure though. What's going on with my computer? Look at this push up. All right. New candlestick just opened right here. Keep going, baby. All right. Love you. All right, people. This stick is going down. Yeah, Richard, I mean, we're still under that 9 EMA. Like, we're still under that 9 EMA right now. On that 15-minute time frame. That 9 EMA on your 15-minute time frame, remember, that's keep in mind, that's the moment of truth. Right? That's the moment of truth. That 15-minute, that 9 on the 15-minute, the 9 EMA, that's the moment of truth. So right now, we're still under that level right now. Okay. Right now, just overall in general, we're still in a downward trend overall, and just for the overall. But we understand now, we understand this is a strong level. Okay, we understand this is a strong level of support. Okay, strong level of support. Understand this is a strong demand zone right here. Wind is cutting up out there. And look at this 1 hour candlestick, y'all. This 1 hour candlestick is confused. Take a look right here. It's basically confusion. It went up, came down, and it's in the middle sitting around here right now. So it's confusion. So that's why I want you to look at all time frames. So you look at this 1 hour time frame, you see this confusion right here. It's best for you to sit and wait, right? It's best for you to wait. All right. It's best for you to wait. But the pressure is definitely to the downside. It really is, for the most part right now. Like the pressures to the downside, but you had this big demand zone right here where the buyers are at. So it's like we got to beat on those buyers to break through the mold. All right, I believe I see my play is coming soon though. A play for me is definitely coming soon. Yeah, the weather going crazy. Where Jay Chill, where you from? Where you located? So like Monica, I mean, I can like most time if I normally try to be done trading by 11 o'clock. My goal is to be done trading by 11 o'clock. Sometimes it does not work out that way. So what I would do is say, for example, when 11 o'clock come, I got to do something else, whatever. I set myself up, I set alerts up on my phone, on my laptop, so I can be alerted when the stock price get to a certain area. For example, I may set alert, hey, if the stock price breaks 395.8, alert me so I can go back and check my computer. Or hey, if it breaks this demand zone, alert me so I can come back and check my computer. Okay, yeah, Jay Chill, yeah, we getting a whole bunch of we getting a whole bunch of wind and rain right now. So you mean you don't, like I tell people, you don't have you when you're trading stock options, you do not have to sit here and watch this screen all day. Beautiful thing about it is I can sit here and watch it all day if I wanted to, but I still don't though, right? I still don't. Normally I like to be in my trade and out of my trade by 11 o'clock. But right now the market hasn't really given me anything sound to get into a trade yet. Okay. The market has not provided me with anything sound. We had this big move right here. That move happened before 10 o'clock. I don't trade before 10 o'clock. Therefore, I would miss this move. And ever since then, there's been nothing but really consolidation up and down. Okay. Nothing but consolidation up and down. Granted, powers do look, selling power does look very, very strong though. All right, you see, we're coming back down to that zone again, coming back down to that 1 hour demand zone. The volume is extremely low too on a 15-minute time frame. Right here, this green, these green and red bars right here, this is volume. Okay, this is volume. Let me put it up some for you so you guys can see it. All right, this is volume. Okay, you can see these bars are heavily at the top, and right here you can see the volume has slowed down some right here. I'm going to enter light into this trade. Okay. I'm entering light into this trade. I have 2 contracts. I'm in very light. So listen, I'm in puts right now. Now listen, when I say I'm getting in light, what does that mean when you say, Chris, you're getting in light? When I get light into a trade, when I get light into the trade, that means I believe there's more room for the stock to go back in the opposite direction. Okay. I believe there's more room for the stock to go back in the opposite direction. And when it does go in the opposite direction, I will buy in more. But if it go in the right direction that I wanted to go in, I will go through that. I will take those profits when they come to show itself. Okay. So as you can see down here, you will be able to see my profit and loss. Boom, 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 right here. Down here at the bottom, you see why I just made this? You see my profit and loss. Okay, down there, you can see my profit and loss. If you can see my profit and loss, give me a 1. I want to make sure you guys can see it. Okay, perfect. Thank you. I have a 7-day expiration date, 7-day expiration date. All right, we have boom, boom, boom. I have a delta of 10, basically 20 cent or 19 cent delta. Okay. 10-cent delta. And remember, when I say I'm in light, okay, it can possibly go up some more. Go to the 5-minute time frame. Good gracious, what's going on with this wind? Like a whole storm over here. Gracious. Call my wife right quick, tell her to be careful. All right, let's see if we're gonna see. Okay. All right, we're sitting at this level again, sitting on top of this demand, not demand zone, but sitting on top of this support level. Okay, sitting on top of the support level. Look like you want to make some moves, some small moves up. Let's see. Yep, I only purchased 2, Alicia. 2 contracts. Like I said, I purchased 2 contracts because I believe the stock can go up further than where we are right now. I believe the stock can go up a little bit further, and I will purchase more if it continues to go up a little bit further. That's why I ease myself into this trade, okay? Ease myself into the trade. Down 160, right around down, like roughly around 12%, 11%, not bad. Get the 15-minute look like. Are we at the moment of truth? Not yet. Got us a little bit ways to go for that. This is a bad storm going on right now. Okay, we got some movement up now. So what I'm looking for is this. I will potentially add more to this particular trade at the moment of truth. If it goes up to that moment of truth, I will add more to the particular trade, okay? I'm willing to probably lose roughly around $300 on this trade. I'm willing to lose about $300 on this trade. By the time I exit out, $300 loss, that's what I'm willing to lose. Because I will be adding more into the trade. Nice push up. Nice push up. Okay. See what Apple's doing. Apple's coming back as well. Google's back at the owner as well. Amazon rolling. Oh crap. Amazon is rolling. Interesting. Look at Amazon going, everybody. Amazon is pretty much rolling. Interesting. Meta. Netflix, Microsoft. Interesting. Interesting. Apple. Apple is still kind of sluggish a little bit. QQQ, like it's trying to work itself up off of this demand area as well. Okay. I may see. I'm keeping an eye on these other ones on my other screen as well. Whoa. Hey, you be safe out there, Jay Chill. If you outside. Yeah, tornado. You had tornadoes touchdown in Houston. Yeah, this whatever going on outside. This is some stuff right here, bro. This is really some stuff. Yeah, so I believe. Oh, so hold on one second. Hey, babe, be safe in that rain. I say. All right. So overall, I believe the overall market is still trending down, right? Trending down. So when I ease myself into a trade, I'm easing myself into a trade as okay. I think we're at a level, right? We at this level of resistance. I bought in right at the level of resistance, right? To see it put a continual push down. I bought in like I didn't buy all of my contracts that I wanted to buy because I knew or I felt like the stock could continue to go back up some. But I got in at that level in case we did go down. We did go down some more. So as it goes up, what I would do is I'm going to buy a few more contracts when I believe we're at a point where we're going to push back down. I'll buy a few more contracts there, which will average out my my actual price. And when it pushes back down, I'll be able to make money because I'm in the impression that we still have more room to push down. Okay. But if we continue to push up, like I say, I will cap my loss probably around 300 and I'll be looking for my next trade to get back the money I lost. But like I stated, I can definitely buy in more. That's why I only bought 2 contracts. Okay. That's why I only bought 2 contracts. But we are getting some nice movement up right here. And we right here at the moment of truth. Okay. We're here at the moment of truth coming up. If we look at the 15-minute time frame, right here at the moment of truth. Okay. Right here at the moment of truth. Remember, the moment of truth is on the 15-minute time frame. 1 second, everybody. My bad. There we go. Yep. So yes, that was a great observation. I'm showing you guys SPY, but I'm trading SPX. They do the exact same thing, basically, right? SPY and SPX is the exact same thing, but I'm trading SPY just because the numbers are smaller. That's the honest opinion, but they do the exact same thing. If SPY goes down, SPX they go down at the same exact time. Okay. Can y'all hear me now? What happened to the sound? Can y'all hear me now? If you can hear me, give me a 1. Y'all hear me? Give me a 1 if you can hear me. Okay, perfect. All right, perfect. We're gonna go a little bit longer. Normally we stop at 11 o'clock. We're gonna go a little bit longer today, okay? We're gonna go a little bit longer today. Yes, I can hear you. I think sounds like it cut off again. Are you talking? Oh no, I'm good. You guys can hear me now. I think we should all be good. You should be able to hear me right now. If it passes the resistance level, we jump on the calls. I will potentially I have to reevaluate everything. I will have to reevaluate what's going on. Right. So if I exit out of this particular trade and it because it starts moving up, I don't just get out and jump into calls. I look for an opportunity to get in. Okay. Look for opportunity to get in. Hi, Chris. What would my stop loss be? So I have a mental stop loss, but my stop loss, it could be somewhere around this area here, but my mental stop loss is roughly around maybe like 300, $300. But definitely if we break above this 395.8, I would definitely be done diddy out. As a new trader though, listen, as a new trader, you should always set a stop loss. Okay. Always set a stop loss as a new trader. Hey, Chris, it's some guy jumped on the phone real fast. Oh, yeah, Joseph, you sent me that message. Got you. Okay. You said you was using your wife's thing, I believe. All about business, want to see close gap. Yeah, potentially. It definitely could potentially go back up and close that gap. I just feel like it's too much, it's too much downward pressure. Right. And I feel like it's a lot of downward pressure, and we can definitely go run down to that 392, 300 area. Definitely a possibility. Always use a stop loss. Exactly. Exactly, Jill. Always use a stop loss. Always use a stop loss. All right, so on the 5-minute, we're back at the 9 EMA. Let's see what the 15-minute looks like. The 15-minute moment of truth, we're still here. We kind of sitting right here right now, kind of sitting right here. We're still kind of sitting around there right now. Okay, still sitting around. So it's not confirmed that we're going to push back down as of yet, but it hasn't confirmed that we're going to push up either. So we kind of like right now, kind of in that zone of waiting. Okay. Did you receive my message on the gram? It came from you sent it just now? I believe I did. I think I did. So this price, look at this price action just happened just now. You saw we was moving down. We was kind of moving down some. We had turned red, and then we pushed right back up. Right here, we kind of have like a small little battle. Okay, let's have a small little battle. But if we do break above this 9 EMA, I will exit this trade. Exit this trade with the loss. If we break above the 9 EMA right here, exit that trade with the loss. Of course, whole break, it got to close above it. If it closes above it, let's see what somebody said. On the moment of truth, if it pushes down, are you looking for it to break? Yes. On the moment of truth, if it pushes down, I'm looking for it to break this support level right here. As far as if it pushes up, we're looking for it to break the 9 EMA. Yes, that's accurate. Oh, yeah. You good, MK? No worries. You good. Okay, here we go. Like we trying to push up. Price action is pushing up. Price action is trying to break above. I'm being hesitant to buy another contract right now. I'm being hesitant to buy another contract. The reason why I'm being hesitant, I want to see where we're going. Because right now we're having some good price action. Hold on one second. Hello. Yeah, you made it. Okay, let me know when you get there. Okay. So let me know when you get there. I say let me know when you get there. Okay. I say let me know. I don't know if you let me know when you get there. All right. Okay. You see how we kind of broke above and we kind of pushed back down. See what Apple's doing right now. Apple is trying to push up some. Google kind of consolidating. Got some consolidation on Google. Meta. Oh, I bought two. I have 2 contracts total right now. Ooh, Meta. That's a strong. All right. That's CJ 75807. All right, Microsoft. I may be on the wrong side of the boat this time. I may be on the wrong side of the boat. All right, we're breaking through the moment of truth. Let's see. I may be on the wrong side of the boat with this one. Let's give it a second. This is the 15. So, okay, what happened? This is what just happened. On the 15-minute, we closed above, right? We closed above, right? I want to see it fall back beneath. Okay. In order for me to get or receive what I need to get, I need this right here to fall back beneath and stay under this 9 EMA. Okay. I do not want to see it sit on top of it and start to push up again. I want to see it go back beneath and stay underneath that level. If not, I will probably exit this trade and be looking to see if we're going to have a break above somewhere around here. Because if you look at the other big board, the big five, I know I'm at 310, 320 right now. Let's see. If we look at Apple, take a look at Apple. Apple is trying to move up. Let's take a look at Amazon. Amazon is already on the freaking run. Google is still kind of hanging around this level right here. Okay. Microsoft went on a kind of a little run as well. So right now, what I'm looking at, if I'm looking at it, Microsoft and Amazon are heading up, right? Apple is attempting to head up. Let's see. Apple is attempting to head up. It's at the moment of truth. Apple is, right? Spy, we're at the moment of, is this Spy? 15 minutes? So Spy right now at the moment of truth, trying to break above the moment of truth. So this is going to be a pivotal candlestick for me, okay? You can see my P&L is going between 300, 320 and 280. All right, this is a pivotal moment for me. I want to add another one right here. I do. I'm going to be patient because the price action is kind of showing that we're going some upward price action. You see, every time we kind of push beneath it, we pushing right back up, but we're struggling at this area. Okay, we're struggling at this area. I'm still liking downward. I'm still liking our downward position, though. I'm still liking the downward move. And I'll be on until my son wake up. When my son wakes up, that's when I will have to get off. But as long as he stays asleep, we rocking out. So Chris, are you saying to make profit SPS, we have to move down below 379.90 put contracts, just trying to follow the thought process? No, so what I'm saying is 37.90 puts. Let's see. 37.90 puts. Oh, no. Okay, you're looking at the puts that I'm in. No, in order to make profit, no, it does not have to go to 379 puts. It can make profit as soon as you get into a trade, you can start making profit. In order for you to make profit, the strike price does not matter. Everybody, I want you to realize this, to understand. Strike price does not matter. If you go around looking for, stock options and doing your research, you're going to hear people talking about strike price. Okay. Strike price is not important. The only thing strike price does for us is identify which trade we're in. That's all strike price does for us. Okay. So if the stock never gets, I'm in 37.90 puts. If the stock never gets to 37.90 SPX, it doesn't matter. You see what I'm saying? I can still make money. All right. Still make money. No, I shouldn't be on mute. Am I on mute? No, I'm not on mute. Hopefully, did you guys hear me say did you hear what I said about strike price? All right, boom, there go that move up. That's what I did not want to see. Crap, I'm stuck in this move. Look how that went up to 420, negative 420. Let's see, I got 2 contracts. Let's see. I'm going to, let's see. That was a crazy push up real fast for no reason. But let's see. Let's see if we're gonna push down or we're gonna stay above that 395 area. We're gonna push down, stay above that 395 area. Good gracious, that's a whole turn. That gotta be a tornado out there or something. Yeah, it's price action to the upside right now. I'm probably going to get out of this particular trade. Let's see. Yeah, it's time for me to exit this trade. Let's see. 1 hour time frame. Let's see. And so to exit the trade, 1 second, I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. Because I think I'm about to get out of this trade. See, that's 5 minutes. This is the 5-minute time frame right here. You see, we doing like this. This is called a V-shaped recovery right here. Boom. You see, it went down, come right here. That's just considered a V-shaped recovery. What's keeping me in just this right now? I'm at this level right here. This is what's keeping me in. I want to see this 15-minute candlestick close too. I want to see this 15-minute candlestick close. I want to see this 15-minute candlestick close. And I'm eager to see if this 15-minute candlestick is going to close underneath this 395 area. If it doesn't, I get out and take a loss. And you be safe, Jay Chill, because that ain't no joke out there. That storm right now. No joke at all. That was a nice bounce out of that demand zone, though, wasn't it? This was a beautiful bounce out of that demand zone. That's how that demand zone works. Buyers, 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 buyers right here. Boom, boom, boom. That's one. The point is that's why I entered in light, but boom, bounce off of that demand zone right back up here. That's why that demand zone is golden. Is anyone having trouble hearing Chris? If you can hear me, give me a 1. If you can hear me, give me a 1. Can you hear me? Give me a 1. Let me type. Okay, so it's not. What did you put in? So I'm clear. I think I got probably like 1,200 in this particular trade right now. Not much. That's why I entered in light. I entered in light because I feel like we could go up. Overall, I feel like we are in a downward trend, right? Overall. But I did feel like we could possibly go up some more. And I really want to see if this 15-minute candlestick is going to close back beneath under this 395, right? The place that I'm at, I don't feel too bad. I'm actually honestly thinking about possibly adding in one more contract. Would it be smart to enter a call when you should sell the bounce? What Say it again, Raymond. See the bounce. Wait. So Raymond said, I'm trying to see which Raymond says. Go live on certain videos. All right, so we see this candlestick right here on the 15-minute time frame. I'm watching this candlestick closely to tell me my decision on if I should get out or not. I want to see what happens when it closes. I want to see if we're going to close between at this level. The next one is going to open in about 4 minutes, but I want to see if this is going to close underneath this level, okay? To see if we're going to have this continuation up. On SPX, we at the 15-minute moment of truth on SPX, okay? We do have some good price movement to the upside, though. I'm not going to lie. We do have some good price action to the upside. So that's why I'm watching this thing very, very, very close. I think he's asking if you are, okay, am I going to buy calls on the way back up? Not necessarily. Not necessarily. Right? I have my rule is this. I have the option to make 3 trades a day, right? So my first trade, if my first trade is a winner, I can not trade anymore. And then, or I can make one more trade, but I only can lose 25% of what I previously profited. If my first trade is a loser, right? If my first trade is a loser, I have the option to go in and make one more trade. If that trade is a winner, okay, I can make my third trade. If that trade is a loser, then I can't trade anymore for the day. Okay, so that's like my rule. So right now I'm currently down on this particular trade. I should possibly get out, but I'm not. This 15-minute candlestick it looks nice, right? It looks nice. It looks strong. I just want to give it I want to give it some more time. I'm okay with losing a couple more dollars, but I'm okay with that. So if I win my first trade, I can make a second trade, right? But I only can lose 25%. What's going on, Britt? I can only lose 25% of that particular trade. And that's how you lock, and that's how you kind of lock, that's how you lock in profits. But it's 5 minute. 5 minutes look real good. So in the 5-minute time frame, take a look at this, everybody. We inside of a box, right? Inside of a box. Take a look at it. We broke through the box. Do you enter as soon as they break through the box? No, you wait for it to test. And that's what's happening right now. And that's what I'm looking at as well. You look for it once it breaks above the box, you look for it to test. Because when it breaks through the box, what's in the ceiling? If I throw a bowling ball through your ceiling, so when you throw a ball through your ceiling, what does it leave right here? Right. What does it leave in the ceiling? Right here. What does it leave? It leaves us a big old hole right here. What we want to see is it going to bounce off that level and keep going up, or is it going to fall back through this hole? What's up, bud? Come here. Come here, bud. You sit right there holding this bottle out, looking at me. Hold on. And it look like we're gonna see. Look like we want to still move up some, but let's see. Let me clear this out. Come here, bud. Come here. Come here. Tell everybody, say, what's up? See, leave. I was trying to mess with the mic. Leave that mic alone, boy. All right, so I'm probably about to go ahead and close out of this particular trade. It looked like it held. This level. What's up, bud? Look like we're holding this level right here. I'm gonna get out of this trade, and I will keep you guys posted on what I do for the remaining of the day, as far as if we push up or push down. I mean, if I make profit or lose profit. So tune in to my Instagram. Okay, tune into my Instagram to see how I actually finish for today. Okay. Well, bye-bye. Bye-bye. What? This? Bye-bye? What's that? Grab it. I'm gonna go get you some milk, man. You all see him trying to just give me the bottle, go get him some milk. We're sitting on this level. Now watch what I want you guys to see. Okay, now we're about to put this inside of another box. This is the box that we're going to put it inside of again, right here. This is how you put stocks inside of a box. Okay. Matter of fact, let's give it a couple more seconds. Y'all hold on for a second. Want some milk? Come on, go get some milk right quick. What is it? Yeah. All right, so let me see. I want y'all to see. I want you guys to see the move. It's potentially about to happen. What's up, bud? Yeah. Yeah, the microphone. Yep. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get off. What I want you guys to do is tune into my Instagram, right? And I'm going to show you on my Instagram how I finished for today as far as my P&L for the day. So just tune into my Instagram later on. I'm gonna post that and show how I finished for today, and we will go from there. But I'm gonna get this boy into the house and get him some breakfast, and then I get back on some more trades. Get back on some more trade in a few. Okay. Y'all have a good one. Everybody, what you want for breakfast? Want some waffles?